Hello friends, today we are going to see the proof of trigonometric identity, that is proof sin squared theta plus cos squared theta that is equal to 1. Watch this full video for a bonus tip at last. Now consider a right angled triangle with hypotenuse is r, opposite side y, adjacent side x. See the diagram. From the definition of sine and cos, sin theta equal to, with respect to the angle, y by r, right? Then cos theta is x by r, right? Opposite by hypotenuse and adjacent by hypotenuse. Now squaring both sides, that is sin square theta equal to y square by r square. Similarly, cos square theta equal to x square by r square. Now by Pythagoras theorem, which we have studied in our lower classes, x square plus y square equal to r square, right? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the opposite side square and adjacent side square. So dividing both sides by r square in your Pythagoras theorem, so we get it as x square by r square plus y square by r square equal to 1. Now substitute the value of x square by r square and y square by r square, which we seen before, that is nothing but sin square theta and cos square theta, to this equation where we divided by r square. We get cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Hence the proof for the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. The bonus tip of this video, we got sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now divide cos square theta on both sides. So sin square theta by cos square theta plus 1 is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Since sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta, we get it as 1 plus tan square theta in the LHS is equal to secant square theta in RHS, right? Bonus tip 2. Similarly, hence we proved sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Again divide by sin square theta on both sides. At the first we did cos square theta, now sin square theta on both sides. We get 1 plus cos square theta by sin square theta, that is equal to 1 by sin square theta. Since cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta and 1 by sin theta equal to cosecant theta, we get 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So this is your next trigonometric identity. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.